was drowned too deep, no strength to fight. 물결 속을 헤매이고 있어.
So this is a cool little project that we did. She had this in her garage for years. It's actually ridden for about 11 years. I think she had purchased this in '94. It didn't have any wheels on it. She'd actually gotten rid of them at some point for some reason. They're just hanging out in the garage, so she chucked them. So these wheels that I put on here are actually ones that I built a long time ago when I was working in bike shops. They're hand laced by me, XTR hub, Rhinolite, Sun Ringley Rhinolite rims. They're super bomb proof back in the day. Nothing like we have now, but super cool, 26-inch wheels. So yeah, I took those off my old slalom bike and put them on here so we can have a complete bike to hang up as a piece of history in her home. And something that she rode. It was custom made for her by Merlin. They were just top-notch frame builders back in the day. The welds are beautiful. This thing is a really cool piece of bike history. All titanium. Chris King headset, old Chris King headset, old Synchros Post. I mean, some of these companies are still around and still making stuff. This is not the original fork that was on it. It had a rigid fork on it. That's what she told me, and then she got this, and at some point she said she had a RockShox on it, and then went to this fork, which this fork is garbage. I had rode one too, and it was garbage back then, but compared to the stuff that we have now, we're light years ahead. But this is where it all started, and titanium rode great, it rides great, it's got some compliance to it. So it's a really super cool piece of bike history, and I hope you enjoy.
you.